Hi there. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make Moringa hair butter. Moringa is known for its health benefits. But did you know there are tons of Moringa benefits for hair? Moringa is packed with hair health boosting nutrients like protein, vitamins, beta-carotene, amino acids, and various phenolics. Moringa has been used for centuries due to its medicinal properties. It has numerous health benefits due to its antifungal, antiviral, and antibacterial properties. Moringa also has potent anti-inflammatory properties. Moringa promotes hair growth, nourishes the hair, strengthens weak hair. It is rich in vitamins A, B, E, C, zinc, iron, etc. It also promotes shiny, glossy hair. Moringa boosts scalp health. It protects hair from free radical damage. It also contains antimicrobial properties. Now let's make Moringa hair butter. In a jar, put 2 tablespoons of organic moringa powder and add olive oil. Olive oil has the ability to condition dry hair, strengthen hair follicles, repair damage, and keep hair manageable. Olive oil is loaded with antioxidants that boost your scalp and hair health. Please give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. Give it a good mix so that the moringa and the olive oil is well combined. At this point, my water was boiling on the stove, so I mixed it very well. Then I put it in the boiling water, and you make sure that you put the temperature of your stove on a low heat and allow it to simmer in the pot for like 15 to 20 minutes. So after I felt it was good enough, I took it out and I allow it to cool. So to make this butter, we will need some additives to it like mango butter, shea butter, and these butters are very healthy for hair growth. You will also need a jar, a small jar, a glass jar, and also measuring spoons. So I'm going to start with shea butter. Shea butter seal moisture into the hair, increase shine, and reduce frizz. Shea butter is also rich in vitamins A and E to nourish and protect the scalp. So I'm putting in 2 tablespoons of shea butter. Shea butter locks moisture into your hair, protects your hair and scalp from UV damage, smooths an irritated scalp, protects against heat, smooths down frizz and flyaways. And next is gonna be mango butter. Mango butter works as an effective scalp conditioner that seals in moisture and reduces breakage and hair loss by strengthening hair follicles. It protects hair from drying, thereby controlling frizz and boosting volume to keep it looking and feeling soft, lush, and lustrous. Mango butter contains vitamins A, C, and E. So at this point, I'm going to put this glass jar into the boiling water on a low heat. Now it is melting and almost done. So it is done now. I took it out and allow it to cool for some minutes. So we now have moringa oil ready. And after that, we strain the moringa oil. What is in the jar now is oil that you can use for your hair after straining it out. But for the sake of this video, we are going to use it to make moringa hair butter. So you can strain the oil and use it as it is, and it is still good. but we want to put it in a butter form because with all the added ingredients like mango butter and shea butter, it makes it more rich. So let's filter this. So I'm using cheesecloth to filter it so that I don't have any particle going into the butter. So after that, I brought in a bigger jar so that I can mix everything in it. So I first put in the moringa oil and then the mango and shea butter melted, and I will just give this a little mix and put a plastic wrap on it and then put it into my freezer and allow it to stay for some minutes, and then I'll take it out and whip it. I hope you like this video. Please, if you do, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to leave me a comment. Let me know if you're going to make this. And it is now out from the refrigerator. I try to make sure that it doesn't stay too long, and that will make the whipping easier. So I plug my mixer to the electricity and start mixing it up. So you have to whip it and let the butter turn into this color like light green, and don't forget to scrape the side of the bowl to make sure that everything is well incorporated and that you're mixing everything very well. So at this point, I'm going to add vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil acts as an antioxidant, and it also helps prolong the life of the hair butter. And also I'm adding lavender essential oil, 5 to 7 drops of lavender essential oil. I'm also adding peppermint essential oil, also 5 to 7 drops. And also I'm adding rosemary essential oil. Those essential oils are organic and they don't hurt you or a child. I started using it on my toddler when she was 1. Now she's 3, and it's helping her hair to thrive. So I give it a little mix and then I am done. So I'm going to transfer this into a small container. So stay tuned as I use this on my little girl's hair. You can use this as a leave-in, you can use this as a pre-poo, but I like to use it as a leave-in. So I did pipe it to make it look beautiful, but you don't have to do this. So this butter is very soft and it has this natural, herbal, earthy smell that your hair would love. These containers are 4 ounces each, so I was able to produce 2 moringa hair butter. And this is the final look. Next, I'm going to apply it on my little girl's hair. So first I spray cloves and rosemary water on her hair, and I'm applying the butter right away. So you might think it's green. It might look green on the hair. Nope. It will just melt into the hair and promotes shiny, glossy hair. Moringa also prevents hair loss, reduce dandruff, strengthen weak hair, stimulate hair growth, nourish hair and scalp. Let me know in the comments if you're going to make this, because this is very healthy. And then I'm going to braid the hair. So it all blends into the hair and you don't even see the green color anymore. So, and this also smells amazing with the peppermint, rosemary and lavender essential oils added to it. It smells incredible. So I'm gonna do this side and just look at how beautiful our hair is. And thank you so much for watching. Remember to like the video, subscribe to my channel. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye bye.